Hello. Our group's topic is tree coverage and asthma-related hospitalizations in children. My name is Isha Badesha.
My name is Cristiana Gonzalez.
And my name is Jasmine Godinez.
For our project, we'll be focusing on the correlation between trees and children's health under the age of 18 in order to determine if the coverage of tree canopy is a positive contributing factor in improving children's asthma rates in the Central Valley. Tree canopy is the amount of land covered by trees to reduce air pollutants and improve the quality of the environment. We'll be looking at how tree coverage will also help reduce air pollutants such as ozone and the impact it has on children's health. This project will use a percentage of tree coverage and ozone within the Central Valley from EnviroAtlas, which includes an interactive map. And from this data, we'll be able to determine the improvements tree canopy has on the asthma-related hospitalizations in children.
For our research question, we are trying to determine whether or not increasing tree canopy can lead to an improvement of air quality in the Central Valley, thus reducing the asthma rates in children under the age of 18. Our experimental approach deals with the improvement of the environment. In other words, increasing tree canopy and green space will help target children that face respiratory problems due to pollution and high ozone levels in a positive manner. For our gap, we are trying to determine the effects tree coverage has on the inclining levels of ozone by determining the amounts of coverage found in the Central Valley. When going into this project, we wanted to really look into depth the places that had more asthma cases. Having this in mind, we were only limited to information that targeted the Central Valley as a whole and not a specific county.
For our methods, we are comparing the ozone levels to the rate of hospitalization visits in children due to asthma in the Central Valley. To compare these, we use data from kidsdata.org, which is the rate of hospitalizations in children due to asthma by each county from 1998 until 2017. We also use data from the California Air Resources Board, which gives us the ozone levels from each county in California. We are also comparing the percentage of tree coverage to ozone levels to see if the percentage of tree coverage has any correlation to the rate of hospitalizations. For our data on percentage of tree coverage, we use EnviroAtlas. For our final results, we expect the rates of hospitalization rates related to asthma and the level of ozone will decrease with more tree coverage. On our graph, it shows the rates of hospitalization and the level of ozone are impacted by the percentage of tree coverage. As shown, the increase in tree coverage will allow for the hospitalization rates and levels of ozone to drop, and these results will contribute to our hypothesis that increasing tree canopy is going to benefit the children's health. In conclusion, the purpose of our project is to find the connection between tree coverage and the rate of hospitalizations in children under 18. We want to see if tree coverage can potentially lead to the improvement of children's health, which we will be testing in our research question and our hypothesis. Thank you, and that was our presentation.